Hi viewers, I'm Asma and you are watching your own art channel Virtuoso Palette. Today I have brought another series of paintings that is on different kinds of silhouettes as they are based on colors through symbols. So let's go to look, watch and observe.
The last painting of silhouettes through color symbolization by Virtuoso Palette. I have started with a blend of violet and black for the base. Viewers, as I've been selecting actions in the series focused on different personalities, like a soccer player, in this painting I have chosen a basketball player. You can see the stencil of the player in action, and I intend to give him the colors of fire. I'll be using orange, cadmium yellow, chrome yellow, burnt sienna, and of course magenta red. If we focus on one's personality, a fire personality consists of someone who is passionate and authoritative. In fact, the characteristics of fire itself is fast. Its heat is more threatening than the flames. Now all my strokes are vertical. I'm using a filbert or a thin brush, blending the tones of fire layer by layer. Viewers, a basketball player is always passionate, has a strong mind, mentally tough. That is why I selected the fiery effect in this player, because oranges and reds are associated with physical energies, playfulness, and they're engaging. Whereas yellow is a color for hope and happiness, optimism and enlightenment. I have added a little white in the cadmium yellow in just a few strokes. There you go, stencils off, and I'm going to fix the player, giving some final strokes. Viewers, hope that you were able to acknowledge my expression in these paintings. See you soon with more videos on your art channel, Virtuoso Palette.
Viewers, hope you enjoyed the combination of colors. So, see you in the next video. Don't forget to watch, subscribe, comment and share. See you!